today, spirit of the storm. Not. Like this. Steady, steady. I found you. Don't worry, old Bhima is here. Move. Keep moving. Don't let the cold take your legs. So... Get to the rocks! R-U-N, you foolish creatures! No. No. Not now. Get up!
Come then, beast. I am not ready for the grave just yet.
Back! To the darkness!
Come on then, try to fit your teeth in here. Now.
See how you like the sun in your eyes, beast? Back! King of Shadows, this light is not for your eyes. Go! Leave us be.
The fire is leaving us. We must...
Not the sheep. You deal with me now. Stay there.
You're safe for now. We just have to climb one last time.
They beat us. Took high road. Warm enough for you yet? I've got plenty more. Feast on this, dogs! This is for my brothers. Begone, you devils! Not today. Not
Home. But we are still here.
The sun. It came back for us.
Look at that, a clean slate. We're still here, little brothers.
In the heart of the storm, you chose to join us. Welcome.
A bit stronger this time.
Spirit of the tusk, spirit of the mountain, thank you for the light.
A feast fit for a king, or a shepherd who didn't die.
The mountain gives, the mountain takes, and we just keep.
Another pack, another winter. We shall see you in the morning, friends.